Cosby, and this is going to be my PE project, and I'll be teaching you how to moonwalk. Let's get this thing rolling. Although my toenail just broke, so it hurts, so it's not going to be as perfect. So pretty much what you want to do is make sure that your feet are parallel. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your left leg and you're going to put it at an arch, and you're going to keep it there, while your right leg, it depends if you're standing this way or that way, doesn't matter. So you're going to take your left leg, put it at an arch, you're going to go to the ball of your foot, and you're going to take your right foot, make sure it's level and it's on the floor, and then you're just going to slide it back just a little bit behind your other foot. If we're to lay down, it should be right behind it. So this is going to go right here. And then whenever it lands right there, you want to quickly switch. And you're going to put this foot down, the left one, and then you're going to take the right foot and put it on an arc. I can't really do it right now because my foot hurts. And then you're going to do the same thing. Take this one back, switch. Take this one back, switch. Take this foot back, and then switch. Don't mind the dog. So pretty much, once you get that groove down,
Tucker, come here.
Once you get that groove down, you should be able to do it very quickly. Kind of messed up there because my foot hurts. So you should be able to do it very quickly, and as you start to get better at it, because this is what I did in the talent show, you should be able to look like you're just flirting out midair. But that's for the advanced level. But if you get to that speed, it should be pretty good. Thank you.